Hello, my name is Savan and I am again here for day 5 of my English communication challenge through ChatGPT. Today I completed again two challenges, the challenge number 13 and challenge number 14. Okay, so the challenge number 13 that was given to me is describe the best day of my life. So in the challenge, I described my real experience and also the real day which I feel the best. So I just describe an event like it was around 1.5 month ago. My friend Vicky called me to join their trip because they had planned because he with his college mates planned to visit Maheshwar and they also have some vacancies, so he called me and to join them. And I also happy because at that time I was feeling very stressed and a lot due to a lot of work, so I agreed to join them. Now in at first I was I felt awkward because I was the new in their group, but after some time we become good friends and the first day we visit is the Shahastradhara in Maheshwar. Shahastradhara is a sport in Maheshwar which is the Narmada river. We flow over the rocks widely like water, just water spread over the ground. So it was the amazing place which soothing to the eyes and it feels completely relaxing. Okay, and then we went to the several temples including the Maheshwar temple which was built by the Devi Ahilyabai near the Narmada Nadi. Okay, so it was also a spiritual place and it's kind of all relaxing and uh, there is a peace around that region. Okay, and after enjoying the several places we come at the night and when I come to the home I completely stressed out and now I am feel energetic and again I started the work. So this was my challenge 13. And if we're talking about my challenge 14, the challenge 14 is to describe a time when I failed, okay, and what I learned from that failure. So this was the challenge. So I describe about my CDS exam that I had just the CDS 2025 first exam that I gave it and what I learned that the first thing that this was my last attempt for the IM and after that I don't I have only I can only apply for the OTA. Okay, so the thing is that in the start, if when I have time, when I was the time, I don't work seriously. I just wasting the time. I just wasted the time whole. But when there is a 1.5 or 2 month were left, I started my preparation seriously, and my main focus was on the mathematics because in the mathematics I thought that mathematics was the scoring subject and I can score much more in that subject. So I first I complete the syllabus, then around yes around 1 to 2 month I complete whole mathematics, advanced mathematics, and then I start practice. But when I gave the mock test, first mock test of the mathematics, then I realized that I am not able to do the questions as faster. I took around 2 to 3 minutes to solve one questions, and if we go through the exam, uh, exam paper. In the exam paper, there is a 100 questions and around in 120 minutes. So there should be around 1 minute per question. So it is also the, and then I was stressed. Bole, I think I did something wrong. And when I gave the also gave the mock test of English mock test, I realized that my English subject is also weak. So around when the around 10 to 15 days left, I started to give the mock test, English mock test. And uh, when the when the when the exam day came, my maths paper was not good, but yeah, my English and my GK paper was better. So after the exam, I realized that if I want to prepare, if I want to clear the CDS exam, I need to improve my English as a grammar, and also the others. So this was the my challenge that ChatGPT given to me today. Okay, thank you.